In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make click-to-call, email, and WhatsApp links in Elementor WordPress. If you want visitors to contact you with a single tap, Elementor makes this really simple. You can use the same basic method for phone calls, email links, and messaging apps like WhatsApp. The key is setting up the link correctly inside a button or icon widget so it works smoothly on the front end of your website. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're inside the admin area, open the page where you want to add the contact link. This can be a home page, contact page, landing page, or really any page where you want users to quickly get in touch. After that, click Edit with Elementor to launch the Elementor editor. This opens the visual builder where you can place and customize elements directly on the page. Next, add either a button widget or an icon widget to the section where you want the clickable contact option to appear. A button works well if you want clear text like call now or email us, while an icon is great if you prefer a cleaner, more compact design. Choose whichever fits your layout best. Now go to the link field for that widget. On the right edge of the link field, click the dynamic tags icon, which looks like a small database symbol. This is what allows you to insert a more specific type of contact link instead of typing a standard web address manually. From the drop-down options, select Contact URL. Once you do that, you'll see Contact URL appear in the field. Right next to it, click the wrench or settings icon to open the configuration options for that contact link. Inside these settings, change the type drop-down to the contact method you want to use. Depending on your goal, you can choose Viber, WhatsApp, Skype, email, or Tel for phone calls. This is the step that tells Elementor what kind of action should happen when someone clicks the button or icon. After selecting the type, fill in the required details in the fields provided. For example, if you choose Tel, enter the phone number. If you choose email, enter the email address. If you choose WhatsApp, enter the number in the proper format so the link works correctly. Make sure everything is accurate because even a small typo can stop the contact action from working as expected. Once that's done, your widget is ready to function as a click-to-contact element. This is a simple but powerful way to make your website more user-friendly, especially for mobile visitors who want fast access to calling, emailing, or messaging you directly.